Hello everyone, Imanlu here. Welcome to another fast tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to do some quick concrete-like damage in Substance Painter. This method is especially helpful if you want to have some artistic direction while keeping the procedural flexibility in your project. Let's begin by adding a concrete-like material. Now let's add a fill layer above it and name it Damage. Enable the color and the height. In the height, set a negative value, and in the color a dark value. Change the blend method of the base color to multiply, and reduce the strength. Now let's add a black mask, a paint layer and a filter. In the filter, set a slow blur filter and increase the intensity to something like 10. Now with the paint tool, paint on the mask paint layer. As you can see, we can get some quick concrete-like damage pretty fast and easy, and only in the parts we want to. The biggest advantage of this setup is that it remains procedural, meaning that we can go to the damage fill layer and adjust the depth, the color, change the blend mode, or even add a new channel that wasn't even part of the project, like emission for example. This procedural plus artistic combinations is what makes Painter an awesome tool to work with, and it is possible because we're using fill layers and masks instead of only using paint layers. Which is great, especially when you are doing look development of materials and want to quickly try many variations. Well, that's all for now. Hope you like this quick tip. Remember to like and subscribe, and see you in the next fast tutorial.